The person accused of killing 5 people at an LGBTQ+ nightclub in Colorado appeared before a judge for the first time today. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Carlo Cicchetto.
I'm Jesse Pagan in for Marcella Lee. Now out of the hospital and appearing virtually in court with bruises and other injuries, the accused shooter had an advisement hearing. Formal charges have not been filed yet.
CBS 8's Kirsten Holmes is on the story for us tonight. She's here with us now. Kirsten, tell us more.
Okay, so those formal charges will happen at the next court date. The shooter has a lot of local ties to the San Diego area and was even born here. That's why we're following this story so closely. The accused shooter is being held right now on arrest charges for 5 counts of murder and bias-motivated crimes. That's also known as hate crimes.
Saturday night, I thought I was dead. Sunday, I thought I would never walk again. Tuesday, I'm walking.
For me personally, I will be uncomfortable going anywhere for a long time.
Survivors of the Club Q shooting talk about what's next after their lives have been forever changed. Lee Aldrich appears in court in an orange jumpsuit, slumped over with obvious injuries to the face and head, for an advisement hearing where the judge tells them of the accused crimes and asks if they understand their rights. The suspect is using non-binary pronouns, them and they, leaving some to question the pronoun preference.
Whether they are doing it for strategic reasons, I can't say. You know, only they and their lawyer know why they're choosing to use the they pronouns.
Gretchen Von Helms is a local defense attorney.
The courts are very good about respecting people's right to be called whatever name they want to be called and whatever pronoun they want to use.
But what about non-binary pronouns in a case involving LGBTQ+ community members like this? Prosecuting attorney Michael Allen says,
to us, his legal definition in this proceeding is the defendant. It has no impact on the way that I prosecute this case.
Colorado also has red flag laws that could confiscate the firearms of people who pose a threat. Those laws didn't stop Aldrich, who was arrested in June of 2021 after they threatened their mom with a bomb, forcing neighbors to evacuate.
So he should never have had the gun because he had some mental health issues, which were not brought to bear in a timely manner.
The question remains, why? Von Helms says their public defender will work on a defense plea with a suspect.
His defenses may or may not work. His attorney will talk to him about that. He's presumed innocent under the law, even though he's been arrested and charged.
Okay, so the next court date is scheduled for December 6th. That's when formal charges should be announced. Again, this suspect has deep local ties to our area. For more on this story and to see interviews with the hero's family and the suspect's father, who all live in our area, go to our website, cbs8.com, where we've posted links.
Are we learning more about the victims in this tragedy? We're talking about the accused gunman, but what about the people who died?
Yeah, a lot of people want to know more about those people, so let me tell you this. For those victims, one was a bartender whose family says he's finally found a community that he absolutely loved and could shine there. Another was a mom who worked at a nonprofit helping foster kids find families. A lot of lives impacted. 5 people died here. Tragedy.
Quite a few layers to all of this going on.
Yep.
Kirsten Holmes keeping tabs on it all for us. Thank you.
Thank you.